Hi there, this is Andy from Skilz4umedia, bringing the latest reviews, tutorials and creative experience online. And today I'm going to be teaching you some new origami skills. So make sure you like the video, share the content and subscribe to our channel. Let's give it a go. Why hello everybody and welcome back. And today we're going to be making an Origami Lilly. How cool is that? First of all, we're going to start off with our usual origami square. So this piece of paper is around about 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. So the Origami Lilly is going to be quite challenging. So first of all, we're going to fold over our piece of paper, making a nice firm hold. From here, I bring the triangle shapes to this position. I'm just going to put my finger at the top here, take this point here and bring it over towards the center, like so. Pressing down nice and firmly along that edge. I do the same thing on the other side, bring it over towards the center, pressing down firmly along this edge here. So hopefully your shape looks like this. So now I open out, and I'm going to just hold onto this top part and push this part into the inside, just like so, making the firm crease along that edge there. Do the same thing with the other side, opening out, pushing in. Great job. Hopefully your creases are a little bit better than mine there. Bring it firmly, so hopefully our shape now looks like that. Are we good? Excellent job. Okay, so from here, I'm just going to fold this over to the other side. Make a firm hold. Same thing on the other side. Bring it over and push down. Okay, so from this position here, I'm going to take one of the foils. I'm going to do each foil separately. First of all, I put my finger on the inside, push down with my thumb here to create that kite shape, like so. Now from here, I'm going to take this part here, fold it into the middle, push down. Same thing on the opposite side, like so. From here, take my thumb finger on the inside here, then push the sides in. And what I want to do is make sure that I have a point in this position here. Fold that in and fold that down. So that is one section completed. Now we have to do the same thing on the other three. So I bring it around to this position here, push down, open up this part, pushing down to make our kite shape, like so. Fold this part in to a point, pushing down firmly. Same thing on the other side, although I haven't made this that neat. And then open up, fold to a point. Just need a little bit of paper manipulation there. I'm sure you guys are doing a lot better job than me, right? Good stuff. Okay, so that's the second point done. Third one, so two more to go. Open up the foil, using my thumb here to open it out. Try and make sure this follows the middle line. Fold in the outside edges. Okay, take that part, pull out, tuck in, make the point, and then we're going to do the final one. I'll bring it up, push it down, Okay, so that line needs to follow that top part like that. Fold in the sides to make a point. And the other side. There we go. Tuck it in to make a point. Okay, so now we're going to open up the Lily. So we've got 4 parts. The best way to do that is taking a pencil, ordinary pencil, tuck one of these sides, then roll it around the pencil exactly like that. So that's one done. Let's do the second one. Third. So this is really simple to do. And then do the last one. Just opening out, just folding, rolling around. So there we go. There is our Origami Lilly. Just need to push it down slightly to get the shape. And it always looks good if you've got a couple of more with it as well. So you could make maybe a couple of them out of different sizes of paper, small pieces of paper, maybe large pieces of paper. So again, that's a great way to impress your friends or even give it to your partner as a present. So there we go. That is our Origami Lilly. I hope everybody enjoyed that, and well done for giving it a go. And I hope everybody has an awesome day. See you soon.